Introduction. Hello and welcome to our video on how to invest in stocks. Investing in stocks is one of the best ways to grow your money over time. But, if you are new to the world of investing, it can be a little confusing at first. In this video, we will give you a practical explanation of how to invest in stocks that even a 12-year-old can understand. What are stocks? Stocks are a type of investment that represents ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder of that company, which means you have a stake in the company's profits and losses. Companies sell stocks to raise money to grow their business. Why invest in stocks? Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your money over time. Stocks have historically provided higher returns than other types of investments, such as savings accounts or bonds. However, it is important to remember that investing always comes with some level of risk. How to invest in stocks? Step 1. Research. Before investing in any stock, it is important to do your research. This means you need to learn as much as you can about the company you are interested in investing in. Look at the company's financial statements, read the news, and see what the experts are saying about the company. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. To buy and sell stocks, you need to open a brokerage account. A brokerage account is like a bank account, but instead of holding cash, it holds stocks and other investments. There are many different brokerage firms to choose from, so make sure to do your research and find one that is right for you. Step 3. Choose the stock you want to buy. Once you have done your research and opened a brokerage account, it is time to choose the stock you want to buy. Look at the company's financials, and see if the stock is a good fit for your investment goals. Step 4. Buy the stock. Now that you have chosen the stock you want to buy, it is time to make your purchase. Enter the ticker symbol of the stock you want to buy into your brokerage account, and then specify how many shares you want to buy. Once you confirm your purchase, you are officially a shareholder of the company. Conclusion. Investing in stocks can be a great way to grow your money over time. But it is important to remember that investing always comes with some level of risk. Make sure to do your research and choose your investments wisely. And always remember, the key to successful investing is patience and discipline. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.